Razer Blackwidow V4 Pro Wired Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The Blackwidow V4 Pro is designed to do it all: gaming, typing, streaming, you name it. Razer's new Blackwidow V4 Pro gaming keyboard is easily one of its best all-around keyboards that does just about everything. With the whole cluster of multimedia keys, a command dial, and 8 total macro keys, this is the macro king of gaming keyboards. If you need a keyboard that boasts a ton of features, including all-you-can-eat RGB and macro keys, this is great option. The command dial is potentially very powerful for gaming or just using your PC for daily activities. It's an excellent addition that amplifies this keyboard to a new level. Razer command dial and 8 dedicated macro keys. Multifunctional roller and 4 media keys. The Razer Blackwidow V4 Pro has a whole host of new controls and gorgeous underglow lighting that make it a compelling option for gamers, content creators, and more. Incredible RGB lighting. Razer, it gets my approval. The Razer Blackwidow V4 Pro is a dream for any gamer looking for a performance and feature-packed keyboard. This new keyboard checks just about every single box we could possibly want within a gaming keyboard. For more informative videos, please subscribe Info of Tech.